Welcome to the Mosaic Boutique Suites in Blue Mountain Village, the premier Four Seasons resort destination in Ontario, just near Collingwood, Ontario. Now the purpose of this video is to give you as much information by way of a walkthrough the newly refurbished one bedroom in the Mosaic Boutique Suites. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Blue Mountain Village. Just for context, we have a map here of Blue Mountain Village and I'm going to give you two red circles right here. Now the main one is this events plaza. In the events plaza you will have concerts, there is some shopping, there are some eateries. If there's any major activities for weekends, this is where the activities are going to take place, in the events plaza. But I've also circled the base gondola there, which is called Silver Bullet Express, which is going to take skiers up there, or in the summer, there's going to be an open air gondola. You may want to go up to visit the top of the mountain. Now I'm just going to go over the 5 hotels in Blue Mountain Village. I'm going to start with this one right here. This is the Westin. It is on the left side of the big pond right there. Very nice hotel. I'm going to go on to the next one right here. This is Wheeler Lodge, and this is the closest one to the mountain and to the gondola. So if you are skiing, you can walk right out the front door and you are steps from the base of the gondola. Then I will go to this one right here, which is Grand Georgian. Also very close to the activity center, to Events Plaza, and Silver Bullet Express at the base of the mountain. Next, I'll circle this one. This one is Seasons at Blue. And I'll circle this one right here, which is the Mosaic. And for the purpose of this video, we will be going through a 1-bedroom refurbished room in the Mosaic today. But I also want to draw your attention to this right here. This is the major village conference center. And oftentimes, if you are attending a conference at this conference center, you will be staying in the village in one of these 5 hotels. And I'll just give you a picture of the outside of the Mosaic before we start our walk. So here we are. Welcome to the 4th floor of the Mosaic Boutique Suites. Purpose of this video is to show you the refurbishment. You can see the hallway is much brighter. And we are going to walk into a 1-bedroom, give you as much information, and walk you through it. So, this refurbishment has been taking place through the fall of 2025 and the spring of 2026. In the fall of 2025, they refurbished floors 3 and 4. So, this is the 4th floor. The refurbishment of the 3rd and 4th floor has been completed, and I am showing you what the refurbishment looks like in a 1-bedroom in the Mosaic. Now, there is also a refurbishment of floors 1 and 2 during the spring of 2026. Now right there, you look at the bathroom. There used to be a bathtub in there, but now it is a stand-up shower. That is one of the major differences. Now there's been a lot of great reviews and feedback regarding the refurbishment. People always ask me, what's the difference between a refurbishment and a renovation? A refurbishment is usually a more extensive and comprehensive process that goes above and beyond a renovation. And I can tell that just by coming in here. What are the things that come to mind when I think about this refurbishment? Number one thing I would say is the bathroom. It seems much brighter. A bathtub has been taken out and now they're stand-up showers. I like that. I'm impressed with it. The flooring also. Number 2 would be the TV size. TV is bigger and it's a smart TV. Number 3 would be that microwave. Number 4 would be the burner there. These are new burners also. The next thing I would say is the countertop. It appears to be quartz. It is brighter and better than the other one they had in place here. The other thing I would talk about is the furnishings. They seem less worn, they're newer, and they seem more modern. The general vibe of this whole kind of new refurbishment is much brighter. It seems cleaner. I think that's what I would kind of sum it up. And it's a noticeable change from the older model. All the walls have been painted. It's much brighter. Loving the carpet also. The colors, the grays, coffee table there, even the lamp there. These are all new things. And like I said, they all come together to take this up a notch, to probably rival the other boutique hotels like the Westin across the way. Now, the main thing that comes to mind when I think of this Mosaic here is the prime location, prime village location. Once you come in here for the weekend or for the week, you park your car, this village is walkable. You do not have to get into your car to drive somewhere to a base hill in order to get to another gondola. Okay, so what you have here is, whether you're here for the summer or the winter, it doesn't really matter, because this is a Four Seasons resort. You also have another TV in the bed. The beds are very comfortable. You've also got some really good views coming out there. And I like this about how it's an ensuite, but you can close that door if you have people over. You can close the bedroom off and they can still have access to that bathroom, which is really good. The drapery, also a brighter color than what the drapery was before. So you look out here and you can see the other side of, I believe it's Seasons to the left there. And a lot of people that attend conferences at the conference center are staying in the village, and this may be a place where you are staying in the Mosaic. But to say that you can walk down 2 floors, grab your skis, walk 2 minutes to the gondola, 2 minutes to the top of the mountain, and you are skiing within 5 to 10 minutes, that is prime location. That's why you want to stay in the village. The other thing is the amenities. They have a 12-month pool. No other place really has a place where you can go out and you can swim lengths. After you come in a long day of skiing and you want to get into the pool, or the kids want to get in the pool, all year round, all through the winter, you have access to an outdoor pool, and it is a cool experience. And then pop into one of the best hot tubs in Blue Mountain. You also have saunas in here, and you have a workout room. I will be doing a video about that after the renovation has been completed. There's no sense me walking through that right now and putting it with this video. But the bathroom, I love the layout. That mirror is new with that light around it. The countertop is brighter. It is also new. The shower is new. I love the layout. It is brighter. And like I said, just the ease to get in and out of it. You've got 2 TVs in this place. And what I want to do is just come out and show you that if you are staying at the conference center, it is literally a 1-minute walk from here. So you can see it just off to the right there. Over the railing, that is the conference center. You are going to walk out the front door and you're going to walk to the conference center. That is a 1-minute walk. Now, if you have any questions about the Mosaic and the refurbishments, pop them in the comment section. I'm going to say ciao for now from the Mosaic Boutique Suites in Blue Mountain Village. This is a 4-season resort. I don't care if you're up here skiing. Also, the summer months are awesome up here when it comes to the hiking, riding the open air gondola to go to the top, and great views out over the water. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.